Hi, this is my initial discussion board for the patient teaching. Um, Catholic Ministries and Bon Secours have a similar mission and as the values and mission as VCU, which is where I'm actually employed. We also strive to put the patients first and serve those that are from all walks of life without judgment. Nurses need to be able to possess those qualities to be able to adequately take care of people. Not everyone is going to have the same beliefs and lifestyle as us as nurses or individually, but everyone has the right to live their own life. When it comes to the simulation video and pain management, there's a lot of room for education. Obviously, this mother is young and is a first time mother. I would start off by explaining to her how narcotics such as Percocet could do more harm than good, and good for her and the baby. I would also explain to her um, with her history um, of dependence, that it could spiral her back into that type of lifestyle with unmonitored use of the drug. I would also tell her how the pain medicine itself works on the brain and on the body, and how it can be stimulated to cause drowsiness and cause altered mood statuses, which could be harmful for her and her baby, um, coinciding with any type of sleep deprivation or anything else that could be going on with that. Also, I would kind of explain to her how it passes through the blood-brain barrier, and how she could pass the Percocet onto her baby, which in return could cause the baby overstimulation, could cause the baby potential addiction as well, which is, depending on the dose, could also create for further health issues, either immediately or even in the long run. I would try to explain other non-pharmacological options such as heat packs. Tucks and foam seem to be good to help with discomfort down there. And then, other types of things such as distraction, and to try to see if she can find help from maybe some friends and some other family. I know that she said that she was homeless, but that doesn't necessarily mean that she's actually living on the streets, that she could possibly be able to stay with a family member that could help her. I would also take it one step further and explain to her about how narcotics causes constipation. And this could be an issue if she has had a C-section versus a vaginal delivery or an epidural. It could automatically hinder her in the future. It could hinder her in her recovery, the narcotics, to be able to have successful bowel movements. If she was to have a C-section or any type of vaginal tear, it could cause her to end up maybe popping open her incisions, or maybe even could cause some type of infection if she wasn't careful. So I would also recommend that she takes a daily stool softener and an over-the-counter Senna to help prevent, or to help her have regular bowel movements. Pain is different for everybody, so of course we don't want to discredit her pain. So I'd also explain to her that if she was having unbearable pain, that for whatever reason that normal Motrin or over-the-counter NSAIDs couldn't handle or couldn't help relieve the pain, and that maybe other non-pharmacological approaches weren't working as well, that she could call the non-emergency number that would be provided to her on her discharge paperwork, and either that could she could get a call back from a physician, or they could maybe squeeze her in earlier to address those type of pain issues. There's also pain clinics that are in the general public that she could try to find, and they could also help her figure out other ways to cope with her pain. I don't feel like this patient is probably so concerned about her pain, but she is young, so she seems to maybe that might be the only thing that she is able to focus on in this moment. So we just need to reiterate to her that this pain will be temporary, and that she can just like majority of the population, she will get through it and without the use of narcotics. Thank you.